Vapasi, Usha Priyambata. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So on popular demand, we are starting with the with the chapter 5 Vapasi, which is a class 12 chapter. It is written by Usha Priyambada. So, uh, as today is Women's Day, every time we talk about the sacrifices that women make, we talk about women who play the role of daughters, mothers, sisters, and we appreciate them for their sacrifices. But here, the writer is talking about the sacrifice of a father. Sometimes, to earn for the family, the father cannot give enough time to the children. But sometimes children don't understand this and they go away from their father. They think that their father doesn't love them, and they also don't respect their father properly, especially when he becomes old. So, this chapter, Vapasi, focuses on this issue faced by males. It's written by a female but Usha Priyamvada. So, it also talks about the breaking relationship of the family. Before, families were united, but now families have started fighting among themselves. In this story, there's one person called as Gajadhar Babu, who is the main hero of the story. This is the father we were just talking about, who will go to work, and when he comes back, his family will not give him the love, appreciation and respect he deserves. So let's start with this name, Gajadhar Babu. Learn this spelling properly. गजाधर बाबू ने कमरे में जमा सामान पर एक नज़र दौड़ाई. So there is Gajadhar Babu in one room and he is looking everywhere. दो बक्से डोलची बाल्टी. So these are the things which are there. यह डब्बा कैसे है गणेशी? यह डब्बा कैसा है गणेशी? What type of box is this? उन्होंने पूछा to गणेशी. गणेशी बिस्तर बांधता हुआ. गणेशी is tying the mattress. कुछ गर्व with some pride. कुछ दुख some sadness. कुछ लज्जा some kind of शर्म से बोला. घरवाली ने साथ कुछ बेसन के लड्डू रख दिए हैं. My wife has packed some बेसन लड्डू for you. कहा बाबूजी को पसंद थे. She said that you loved it. अब कहाँ हम गरीब लोग आपके खातिर कुछ कर पाएंगे. Now what we poor people will be able to serve you. You're going right? घर जाने की खुशी में भी गजाधर बाबू ने एक विषाद का अनुभव किया. So now Gajadhar Babu is being retired from his job and he is going home. So there is this person Ganeshi who has served him. But now he is happy that he is going back. But at the same time he is also sad that he will be separated from Ganeshi. एक विषाद अनुभव किया जैसे एक परिचित, like a known person, स्नेह, a loved person, आदमय, like it's my person. सहज संसार से उनका नाता टूट रहा है, as if his relation is breaking with the entire world, because when he was away from this family, this Ganeshi only took care of him. So now he has a family kind of attachment with Ganeshi, but Ganeshi is not his family. Instead, he is going back to his home. Friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I am stuck on the same number of subscribers and I am not getting more and more subscribers. Please see that you like, share and subscribe my channel. At least press the like button. Or if you don't like it, at least comment that you didn't like it so that I can improve. But please don't stay silent, because then I can't understand whether I am delivering my content properly, efficiently, or I am not delivering it. So please see that you comment. कभी कभी हम लोगों की भी खबर लेते रहिएगा. Sometimes do call us and please stay in touch with us. गणेशी बिस्तर में रस्सी बांधता हुआ बोला. He is tying a rope to the mattress. So maybe when you had a farewell in the 10th standard, your teachers must have told you, please be in touch with us. So like that only Ganeshi is saying that please be in touch with me. कभी कुछ ज़रूरत हो तो लिखना गणेशी. If you want anything, please do write a letter to me. इस अगहन तक बिटिया की शादी कर दो. So now you get your daughter married. गणेशी ने अखुरने की चोट से आंखें पोंछी. He wiped his tears. अब आप लोग सहारा ना देंगे तो कौन देगा? If you all don't support us, who will support us? आप यहाँ रहते तो शादी में कुछ हौसला रहता. If you were here, I would feel a bit confident, but now you're going. So please mark this as important because this is used as an answer. So here there is this question, रेलवे क्वार्टर का कमरा छोटे समय गजादर बाबू दुखी क्यों थे? So this answer is there in this paragraph and you have to also combine this. Your teacher must have given you the answer. Please refer to the previous year papers also, because you will get a rough idea of how to write the answers. You have to see that you don't commit spelling mistakes. You can't just write the entire summary of the lesson and keep. Some people just write the entire summary and they keep, and then some of their marks get cut. So please see that you score the maximum marks possible by writing to the words and what is necessary. गजादर बाबू चलने को तैयार बैठे थे. रेलवे क्वार्टर का वो कमरा जिसमें उन्होंने कितने वर्ष बिताए थे. So this is where he lived when he was working. He spent many years there. उनका सामान हट जाने के कुरूप और नग्न हो गया था. Now it had become empty and ugly because all his belongings were being removed. आंगन में रोपे पौधे भी जान पहचान के लोग ले गए थे. Whatever this plants were there in the garden, he gave it to the known people. और जगह जगह मिट्टी बिखरी हुई थी. Now everywhere there were just mud. पर पत्नी बाल बच्चों के साथ रहने की कल्पना में यह बिच्छू एक दुर्लभ लहर की तरह उठकर विलीन हो गया था. But all these things actually didn't matter to him because he was hopeful that he will be very happy when he goes to his wife and his children. So these things were just like something he could ignore. गजादर बाबू खुश थे, बहुत खुश थे. He was very happy. 35 साल की नौकरी के बाद वह रिटायर होकर जा रहे थे. This can come as a one-line question or in the fill in the blank. Complete the following. 35 साल की नौकरी के बाद वह रिटायर होकर जा रहे थे. He had worked for 35 साल. Please remember this. And friends, see that you read the textbook again and again because in the starting only they have come that vakya purna kijiye. Though they give options, but sometimes they are very confusing. And when we were in the 12th standard, for the 20 marks paper, they used to give fill in the blanks. In the middle only there was blank and there were 3 words. And sometimes those 3 words were so similar, that we would lose marks there, and many children lose marks there. Please see that you don't do that mistake and do communicate with your teacher regarding the paper pattern and all that. 35 साल की नौकरी के बाद वे रिटायर होकर जा रहे थे. इन वर्षों में अधिकांश समय उन्होंने अकेले रहकर काटा था. Because he was earning and he was far away from home, he was all alone. उन अकेले क्षणों में उन्होंने इसी समय की कल्पना की थी. He was dreaming about this time when he'll go with the family. एक आशा के सहारे वे अपने अभाव का बोझ ढो रहे थे. He was just living his life with this one wish that he'll go near his family. संसार की दृष्टि में उनका जीवन सफल कहा जा सकता था. As per the point of view of society, he was a very successful person. उनके शहर में मकान बनवा लिया था. बड़े लड़के अमर और लड़की कांति की शादियाँ कर दी थी. He had one big son and one big daughter, Kanti and Amar. He had got them married. 2 बच्चे ऊंची कक्षाओं में पढ़ रहे थे. Rest 2 children were studying in higher classes. गजादर बाबू नौकरी के कारण छोटे स्टेशन पर रहे और उनके बच्चे और पत्नी शहर में. So because of his job, he lived in a poor conditions, but he ensured that his wife and children are living in a city. So as per society thinks he is very happy. He has everything what he wants. But society only judges people whether they are successful or not on the basis of their money. But we should realize that financial happiness is not the only happiness. There are other happinesses also that matter. Relationship happiness. You need other people, your parents, your wife, your children to talk to you, to communicate, to share what has happened in your entire day. You also need emotional wealth. Your emotions should be balanced. Spiritual wealth. You have to know that there is something beyond your ego, beyond the materialistic world. So there are other healths also that matter. Not only financial health. Yes, if you become rich, you can solve all your financial problems. But what about the other problems? It is a wrong assumption that if somebody earns, then only all their problems will be solved. जिससे पढ़ाई में बाधा ना हो. Children were put in good school. गजादर बाबू स्वभाव से बहुत स्नेही व्यक्ति थे और स्नेह के आकाशी भी थे. So Gajadhar Babu was a very loving and kind-hearted person. In Konkani they say Maes Manis. So he was a very स्नेही व्यक्ति. जब परिवार साथ था, ड्यूटी से लौटकर बच्चों से हंसते बोलते. So when he was with his family after he returned from home, just like normal fathers, he would play with his children. पत्नी के कुछ मनोविवाद करते. Talked to his wife. उन सबके चले जाने के उसके जीवन में गहन सुनापन पर भर उठा था. So here we can see that when he is alone, his life is full with loneliness. He is feeling lonely. He misses those days when he spent with his wife and children. अब कितने वर्षों बाद वह अवसर आया था. Now after so many times that beautiful moments are coming back. वे फिर उसी स्नेह और आदर के साथ रह जाने चाहते थे. So now he wants the same love and respect he used to get some time ago. So here friends, we have finished with the part 1 of Vapasi. Please do comment if you want the part 2. If I get your comments, I will put part 2 tomorrow. And please see that you like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like the channel, okay? And if you have any suggestions, good or bad, please write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.